Hello and welcome to APPSeCONNECT demonstration. In this demo, we will show you how Sugar CRM can get connected with Microsoft Dynamics NAV ERP system. So this is a Sugar CRM environment, as you can see. So we will start processing, and I am already logged in as a sales employee in the Sugar CRM. So first we will start with creating accounts and contacts. So let's start creating a new account. So we are creating a new account in Sugar CRM just like the standard sales operation. So we'll now enter the basic details, the name of the organization, billing city, let's say. So these are the billing details, and we will save this. So in this way accounts can get created to in Sugar CRM. So now we will move to NAV, and before that we will go to a small software installed in the NAV server. We call it APPSeCONNECT agent. So basically APPSeCONNECT agent has all the triggers. Triggers are basically the sync processes which we will run. So all triggers can be set as to work as a fully automatic manner or to work as manually. So depending on the business requirement, the triggers can be set to work on a schedule, like the data can be synced on a particular time of a day, or it can sync on in real time through automatic manner. For this demonstration we will use manual trigger. So we are trying to sync accounts from Sugar CRM to NAV ERP system. So we will go to the connection Sugar CRM to NAV integration, and we can expand or we can search through the process of syncing the account. So here you can see a process is there to sync. Trigger is currently manual. We will go quickly and click on the manual sync button. Instantly the account will get synced to NAV. So now we will move to NAV ERP. We'll check the new account. So in NAV ERP it will be synced as a customer card. So we will search through this new account. So I can see the account which I have entered in created in Sugar CRM has been opened up as a customer card in NAV ERP system. I have entered the billing and shipping address. It is here, it is showing the billing address. I can see the shipping address as well in other section. So here is the shipping address which I have entered. So billing and shipping address I put different. So now we will move to Sugar and we will proceed towards the next process. That means if I add a contact under this account, then what things will be reflected in the NAV ERP system. So let's move to contacts. Let's create a new contact. Creating a new contact in Sugar CRM. Quickly enter the name, and we'll only provide the basic details to quickly create this contract, but all the details which we'll put here will be reflected and will be stored in the NAV ERP system. Saving the contact, and we need to assign this contact to under a company, under an account basically. Save this. So this is saved under an organization named in SyncTech. Now if we move to agent, we will quickly download this new contact. As I mentioned, this can be automated as well depending on the requirement. So we will quickly sync the new contacts to NAV. Now if we move to the NAV ERP system, we go to the customer card, open up the particular organization details, and we can see the new contact has been added to this organization. So we have added the contact under InSyncTech. So you can see the new contact test contact has been added. We are opening up, so here we can see the details, and we can also see the bill shipping address. So shipping address is stored in another section. So all the billing and shipping address and all the other details will be synced in this way. So we have seen how accounts and contacts created or existing in Sugar CRM can get synced to NAV ERP. So now we will just see the opposite process, because all our sync processes work bidirectionally. So we will sync a customer card with contact person associated to the Sugar CRM from NAV ERP system. So let's go to creating. So this is an existing customer, as we can see in customer card. So we'll put the basic details. So there is a flag as you can see which ensures that data gets synced, which is called web contact flag. So this web contact flag, if you check, it ensures that this customer card will be synced back to Sugar CRM, will be added as an account. So now if we go to the agent, we will see the processes for the opposite direction, that means from Microsoft Dynamics NAV to Sugar CRM. So we'll quickly add this account. So process completed. We'll move to Sugar CRM, go to accounts and check if that company has been added. So here you can see Husplast HF has been added in Sugar CRM as an account, and billing and shipping address is already there, and accordingly it synced all the data which is required. So now let's see how contacts which are associated with the organization can get synced to the Sugar CRM. So this is a contact, existing contact, which is already associated with the organization Husplast HF. If we want to sync, we need to tick on this web contact flag, and the contact will be synced to Sugar CRM. So all we need to do is just go to APPSeCONNECT agent. This is an automatic process, but we are doing it manually, as we have seen through the manual trigger. So the process is complete. Now we'll move to Sugar CRM and let's refresh this data. Go to contacts. So we can see a new contact has been added, and the new contact has been added under the account of. So if we go to the account section, search through Husplast, so we can see that the new contact has been added in this section. So now let's move to the other section, that means the salesperson. So as we know, the salesperson can be synced from Sugar CRM to NAV direction. So any salesperson created in Sugar CRM can get synced to NAV and create an employee in the NAV ERP system. So let's quickly move to Sugar CRM. So let's move to the employee section. So we'll create a new record, quickly entering the basic details for a sales employee. Email address is required. So we'll save these details. A new sales employee has been added with the particular credential. So now let's move to APPSeCONNECT agent. This sales employee can get synced to NAV ERP system, and the corresponding salesperson record will be created in NAV. So in this way, if any new salesperson has been created in Sugar CRM, so that salesperson record will also be reflected in NAV. So we are just showing you the basic processes of this integration. Of course, there are many other processes. Salesperson, I can see the test salesperson which I have entered in Sugar CRM has been added in NAV ERP system with the basic email ID. So this is one process. Let's move to another process, which is syncing the opportunities. So what will happen if the salesperson create opportunities under an account in Sugar CRM? What data will be reflected in SAP Business One in Microsoft Dynamics NAV side? So here we are, opportunities. Will create a new opportunity here, quickly entering the basic details which are mandatory. We need to select the account. This is the opportunity amount. Selecting the account, some basic description, and saving this opportunity. So if any opportunity created in Sugar CRM, that opportunity will get synced to NAV ERP system through manual or automated triggers. Now moving to Dynamics NAV, marketing section, opportunities. So you can see the new opportunity which we have created. So this is basically a sales opportunity which is added in marketing section. So in this way, the NAV users will have full idea what opportunities are there and what is the status of the opportunities which are entered by the CRM system. Also it shows the salesperson details who created this opportunity. So as the salespersons are fully mapped between Sugar CRM and NAV ERP system, so the salesperson entered the opportunity will also be shown in the NAV ERP system. So in this way we are showing you the basic functionalities most basic functionalities of our APPSeCONNECT integration, which works between Sugar CRM and NAV ERP system. Of course, there are many more features in the connector which can be configured as per the business requirement, and the feature configuration also depends on the version of the Sugar CRM. We are using the Sugar CRM Community Edition. We are also fully compatible with Sugar CRM Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition also has many more features which we can configure according to the business need. Thanks for watching the video.